Hello, I'm Sanjay Gossip. Tonight it was the Metro FM Music Awards called KZN. The first award went to Karishma for Best New Artist winner. Congratulations. Followed by Best R&B Song winner, being Unarem Sike Mracha Dandon Duma. I didn't know that he was like a musician. I thought that he was a doctor. But anyway, another winner is Dlamini for Best Jazz Album, and the Best Music Video winner goes to Samdeep, Bushle, and Mano. Best Stylist winner goes to Musa Keys. Congratulations to him. Best Kwaito or Gom and Gom winner goes to DJ Dira, PC, General, and many more. Best Gospel Album winner goes to Musa Yende for gospel, and all four of the categories, besides the winner, they went to the stage to show unity and support. I thought that was very nice. I saw Matema Ibila amongst them. Best hip hop winner, Stogie T, Nasty C, and then hey, let me tell you, DJ Speedster. So as he was presenting the award for the best hip hop, he was shading Casper Nyovest here and there. So I was like, really, are you trying to be AKA now? Did Casper Nyovest say anything about South African hip hop? Because he's into Motswako. Why are you going there? And why are you trying to do this thing? And then DJ Speedster was like, hey, as a hip hop artist, come together to the stage. Let's show them this, and that. Only came to the stage and cried. None Nasty C, none of them crew. The ones that he was calling out, Dololo, it was just him. However, now I was concentrated on his top. Oh, it was so nice. I had to even go to his Instagram, just to see. And like, let me see besides the stage or it was so beautiful. Anyway, guys, I talked too much. Best male artist winner, Caesar. I don't know this guy, guys. I really do not know him. But best female artist winner, Shandi Mama. Yeah, for a second there when she was on stage, I was cringing because we know her but she came through. You can tell her she was speaking from the heart. I like the speech. It's unfortunate I couldn't record. If I play the video here, SABC is gonna show me films, so I can't do that, unfortunately. And then best Lukompo winner again, Karimama, DJ Angelo Body Sax, DJ Janisto. Guys, Karishma bagged 2 awards. Like, I am so happy. And then long service award went to Wilson Binkosi. I'm sorry, lifetime achievement. Ihashi Elimhlope. Guys, what's up? I forgot. Yeah, but whenever awards are presented, they always win. All the time. If you follow Metro FM Awards, icon. Anyway, best collaboration song winner, Ladysmith Mambazo. As Ladysmith Mambazo, like, they backed three awards, different categories. Mazulu, when coming to, I'm sorry, I'm not shading them or in any shape or form, but when coming to voting, Zulu, you won't stop them, I'm telling you. Best dance winner, Jay-Z World, Tutukela, Mahu. Yeah, so that's just about it, Msanti. That's just about the awards for tonight. It was not giving, to be quite honest. It was not like Mbombela or the Mpumalanga Metro FM Music Awards. It was just the awards, and I saw most of the empty seats. I'm like, okay, they were not prepared here. It was like rush to me. I don't know.